After months and months of procrastination, here I have ended up with lots and lots of backlogs and pending commitments. This week I knew that I have to do something for it, so I did what I do the best. I tried hacks. And here I am sharing the effective ones with you. Let's get started.
Heart gon' speed so God splash on my plate. Wanna get you down, job. Letting it head up.
The first hack is the organization. Keep your desk clean because a clean place always motivates you to be productive. Also, keep all the necessary items like your notes, stationery, everything on the desk so that you don't have to reach out for them time to time. Don't forget to keep a water bottle to stay hydrated. Now, if you're wondering why do I have an extra keyboard and a mouse, it's only because I want to increase my distance from the screen because I'm always in front of it and it's somewhere harming my eyes. You can later change it because newness always invites you towards it. I did it because I needed extra space. The next hack is to make a to-do list. Well, I usually make a to-do list generally for the week, but this time I did it only for my studies. And there are certain things that you must take care of while doing it, like prioritizing your tasks, keeping only 6 tasks so that you're not overburdening yourself, and keep the important ones at the top so that you complete them first. And try to make it as quick as you could. If you don't like using paper or if you don't want to waste it, then there's an app called Minimalist that I used. It's like the best way to make it simple, no customization, so you don't waste your time. Add your tasks and just cross them by just touching or tapping on them. As simple as that. The next hack is the study technique of Animedoro. It's like Pomodoro but with anime. You study for 45 to 60 minutes and then you watch an episode of anime. But I don't watch anime, so I replaced it with something that I love, and they are animated short films. Then you study again for 45 to 60 minutes and watch another episode. You don't fill your breaks with social media or so, and that's why it's kind of productive. If you want, I can link all the short films in the description so that you can check them out. The next hack is time lapse. This is so far my most favorite hack ever. You put your phone into work by putting it on time lapse, and then you study with so much focus. Just put it on a book or anywhere and then keep studying. It keeps you focused and you're not distracted to use your phone because you know it's doing something. Also, you're being recorded, so you are kind of conscious. And there's an added advantage for those who are small YouTubers like me. You get extra clips and footage, so you can use it in your videos as well. This one is definitely the best one. The next hack is to use a table lamp. You study on a table with a lamp only and no other source of light. So when you want to take a break, you just go there and switch it off, sit in the dark, wasting your time, and then you realize it and switch it on again. This way you take shorter breaks and don't waste your time in just taking breaks or so. But if you're using your screen, I would not recommend you to do this. Just do it when you're studying from the book. These hacks worked out pretty well for me, and I'm happy that I was able to do at least some of my work. Still, there is a lot of backlog, but yeah, I was happy. Comment down below what else you want to see on my channel, and I'll try to make them for you. Thanks for watching this one. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz, everyone.